Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to see Heatmap in TradingView. First, navigate to your chart and open the Indicators menu. While there isn't one single native Heatmap feature, TradingView provides several powerful tools and community indicators that offer similar visual insights into market activity. We will explore how to leverage these to understand price action, volume distribution, and order flow, helping you make more informed trading decisions. The volume profile is a fundamental tool for visualizing trading activity across price levels. To use it, go to the Indicators tab and search for Volume Profile. You can select Visible Range Volume Profile to analyze the currently displayed chart area, or Fixed Range Volume Profile to draw a specific range. This tool displays horizontal bars, with longer bars indicating higher trading volume at those prices, effectively creating a heat map of market interest. TradingView's community library offers many custom indicators designed as heat maps. Access the Indicators menu and search for terms like Heatmap Volume or Liquidity Heatmap. You will find options that visualize buy and sell orders or volume distribution using intuitive color gradients. These tools can highlight areas of significant activity or order imbalances, providing a dynamic view of market sentiment. Experiment with their settings to find the best fit for your analysis. For real-time order book insights, open the Trade panel and select the DOM tab. This shows live bid and ask volumes, acting as a dynamic heat map of current supply and demand. Additionally, TradingView offers dedicated market overview heat maps under its Screeners section. These visualize performance across many assets, like stocks or cryptocurrencies, using color to quickly identify strong or weak sectors. Combining these methods offers a holistic market view.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.